All right, last part of today is we actually need to apply this to real life. So a tree starts at 2 inches and grows, I can't see what that says, and grows 3 inches every month. So write an equation to represent this scenario in slope-intercept. So slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. What is the equation? So if I'm filling out this equation, I need to fill out the m and I need to fill out the b. The b is my starting point. So in this situation, what do I start at? I start at 2 inches. And my m is my rate of change. What is this rate of change? What's happening to this tree? It is growing 3 inches per month, so my m is 3. But is it going to be positive 3 or negative 3? Is it getting bigger or smaller? Is the height getting bigger or smaller? That is correct. It is a positive 3. So it is getting bigger. So my equation looks like y equals 3x plus 2. What is the slope? So the slope is, as we define, 3. What does that mean? Well, that means that my tree is growing 3 inches every month. Wow, cannot spell. Graph the scenario to the right. All right, so if I'm graphing my equation, I'm starting at 2. And my slope of 3 over 1, because if there's nothing, I'm going to put it over 1, means I go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, and also the other way, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. However, it doesn't make sense for me to go into negative, right? Because I can't have a negative time. What is the y-intercept? The y-intercept is at 0, 2. And that means starting at 0 month, tree is 2 inches. How tall will the tree be in 2 months? So there's 2 ways to figure this out. We could either look at the graph. So I'll show you both ways. If we look at the graph at 2 months, it means right here when because x is in months and y is in inches. At 2 months, which is right here, my tree will be at, I think that's 8 inches. At 8 inches. Or if we want to use the formula, y equals 3x plus 2. 2 months means x is equal to 2, so y is equal to 3 parentheses 2 plus 2. Using order of operation, 3 times 2 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. So either way, we get the same answer looking at the graph or the equation. All right, go ahead and try the next one on your own, please, and then check your answer below. Okay, at this point you've tried it. Your piggy bank has $8. Every week you take $1 to buy a lottery ticket. So, piggy bank has $8. Every week you take $1 to buy a lottery ticket, but every week. Write an equation to represent the scenario in slope-intercept. So slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. What is my m and what is my b? That is correct. My m is going to be 1. But the question is this negative 1 or positive 1? If I'm taking $1, should I be adding 1 or subtracting 1? That is correct. I should be subtracting 1. And my b value, the starting point is 8. So my equation looks like y equals negative 1x plus 8. The slope is negative 1 over 1. That means take $1 every week. Graph the scenario to the right. So let's go ahead and let's graph it. We're going to start at 8. Go ahead and graph it first. Where do we start at? Let's start at 8. So here's 8. And then we're going to go down 1, right 1. 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 What is the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is where what our b value is, so we are going to have 0, 8. What does this mean? That means starting out, we have $8. Let's go ahead and let's connect the dots. How much money will your piggy bank have in 3 weeks? So in 3 weeks, if I look at the graph here at 3 weeks, so X is going to be in weeks, Y is going to be in money, $sign. So I have 1, 2, 3 right here and right here, in which case this will be at $5. All right, go ahead and take a picture of this, submit this, and don't forget to hold on to it for your e-binder.